Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. I know it's been a while I didn't give any videos to this channel due to some issues, but I am back with many more contents and interesting topic will be covered. So stay tuned. So today we will learn what is the difference between organization identifier and bundle identifier. You can see a dialog box here where you can see the product name, team, organization identifier, bundle identifier, interface, and the languages. Okay, this dialog box appears whenever you create a new project. So what is organization identifier? So whenever you create a new project, you will be asked to enter the organization identifier, which will be used to identify your app. So for example, you own a company and your company must have a name which identifies your company. So, how people will identify your company? By its name. So, organization identifier is nothing but a name by which you can identify the company. Okay. Now, we will see what is bundle identifier. What is bundle identifier? So, a bundle ID or a bundle identifier uniquely identifies an application in Apple. This means that no two applications can have same bundle identifier. Each and every application must have a unique bundle identifier address. So to avoid this conflicts, Apple encouraged the developers to use the reverse domain name notation for choosing an application bundle identifier. So for example, whenever we write any domain, so for example your Gmail address, something with gmail.com or some .coms, right? But here you can see it's starting with com.dev and then my app, it is something which is written here, and test is nothing but the product name, your project name. You can see here, if I'm not writing, it is showing the product name. Okay, so I can give anything. So for now I am giving test only or my app. Okay. So the product name and the company identifier you enter are concatenated to create the default bundle ID. Okay. Using what I have said, using reverse domain name service notation. This company identifier are not connected to many domain. Their purpose is only to identify the development company or a person. Okay. Hope you have understood what is the difference between the organization identifier and bundle identifier. You can say the organization identifier is a name which defines the company, and bundle identifier is a combination of your product name and the organization identifier, which is a unique ID and that gives to each and every applications in Apple. So this is all about the today's topic. If you really like the video, then give us a thumbs up and do subscribe the channel. Share this video with your people who are learning iOS and who are keen to learn iOS too. Okay, thank you for watching.